So depending on the vehicle and depending on the gasket, how tight it fits into the groove and all that, they may suggest you put some Honda Bond on some of the corners to hold it. You don't have to do that on these. It pretty much, once you get it in here in this groove and you go to put it on there, it's going to stay on there. You know, it'll stay on there. So if by chance you buy an aftermarket that doesn't want to stay on there, then for sure you want to maybe put a little bit of Honda Bond like on the corners, these round corners, so it can stay in there, and maybe some here and some over here, and let it set, I don't know, an hour or so, and then that way when you go to put it on, it doesn't fall off. So the next thing I'm going to do here is I got to move this wire over here because it's in the way. Got to loosen this up, set everything, start to bring everything down on the wiring harness. All right, there's nothing. I kind of moved this down so it's giving me clearance there. I put just a little bit of film of oil around the spark plug tubes here, just a little bit, just to hope that it'll go into these tubes somewhat easier. So nothing in there, everything looks good. There it is. Take my mirror to kind of look in here, make sure that the gasket isn't formed wrong around that tube or something's just not right. So it's perfect right there. So there's 4 long bolts. The short one goes up here. The rest of them are all the long ones. So it's just a matter of getting them in there. Tying them down and then torquing them. Right, that's good enough right there. So once again, middle looks good. Looks good. Looks good. Alrighty. All right, I'm gonna go figure out how to torque these down. I can't remember. I think it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or it could be the other way. It could be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'll be back a little bit because my manual's inside. Okay, so it's basically 1 here, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I'm going to start with 6, then go to 10, then go to 12. Let's see how that's how I did the rear one. So we'll do the same. So here's 6. Just keep doing this till they're going to start getting tight here. Okay. I think it's going to happen here because I feel them. Okay. Feel them bottoming out there. All right. Okay. All right. I'm going to go to 10. Now to 12. All right, check them one more time. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. That's it for the valve covers.